Hi guys. So sorry that I have to wear glasses. The camera is pretty far, I can't see. So yeah, I don't have contacts. So I'm gonna be doing I feel like it's easy because I am not a makeup artist in any way, and nor do I know how to do this very well. I'm still practicing it. An easy like Valentine's Day look if you're like trying to go out to dinner or something. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I've been playing with it ever since I got it, since they relaunched it in January, I think it was. And I was able to get one, so I'm like pretty stoked about this. I've been playing around with it. So this is like a Valentine's Day look with the James Charles palette. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm going to start off by taking off my glasses, and I'm going to reach for my primer. I like to use the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. And it got all over my mirror, but I'm just going to move along. And I'm just going to apply a nice coat all over my face. I don't use too much, but I make sure that the face is well evenly coated with it. After that, I'm going to grab my spoolie and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows in the direction that I would like them to be to get them ready for the eyebrow pencil. I like to use the Artistry Eyebrow pencil. Then after that, I'm just going to grab some concealer. I use the Maybelline concealer to clean up the eyebrow look, and then also bring it onto the lid so that it can be my base for my eyeshadow. My favorite part, I'm going to grab my James Charles palette. You don't have to necessarily use this palette. You can use anything with different shadings of pink, since this is a Valentine's Day look. Mine's a little dirty, I apologize. I've been using it quite frequently and I like playing around with it. It's so gorgeous, and it's affordable, and it's very pigmented. So I would really recommend it. So we're going to start off by grabbing an eyeshadow brush, and we're just going to dip it into canvas, and we're just going to put that all over the lid to set the concealer that we put on there. After we're done setting the lid with canvas, we're going to go back into the James Charles palette, and we're going to dip a blending brush into Pinkity Drinkity. It's a light pink pastel kind of a color. And then we're just going to put that all in the inner crease of our eye. And just blend it to whatever you feel is a good color for you. I dipped it in there about 3 to 4 times just to really get that color on the back, because I'd like it to pop. Once you're done building Pinkity Drinkity in your crease, you're going to grab the color right next to it. It's called Love That, and it's very pigmented. It's a plummy pinky color, so be careful dipping your brush in there. And you're just going to put that right in the outer corner of your eye in a V formation and just blend it in. I only had to dip my brush in that color twice to really get it to the color that I wanted it to be at, but you are more than welcome to dip it in more and get it to the color that you like. But all I had to do was dip it in there twice, because like I said, it's very pigmented, so be very careful with that color. Next up, we're gonna go into Sister. It's a cute pinky undertoned shimmer color, and you're gonna put that right in the middle of your lid, and you're just gonna blend it out to the best of your ability. On that, you're going to go right above Sister, and you're going to use the color Ring Light, and you're going to put that right in the inner corners of your eyes. And this is going to brighten up your eye look. But first, you want to grab a little bit of your setting spray. I like to use the Gerard Cosmetic Slay All Day. It's the Kia Joy Rose scented one. And just spray your brush a couple of times. And then you're just going to put that eyeshadow right in the inner corner of your eye. And it's really going to make it pop. It's very beautiful and very bright. Gonna grab my eyelash curler and I'm just gonna curl my lashes before I apply my mascara. I like to use the Maybelline mascara and just evenly coat all my eyelashes. After I'm done, I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and I'm gonna grab my foundation. I use the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I'm just gonna dot that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it all out. Once I'm done, I'm going to grab my concealer and I'm just going to place that underneath my eyes to hide some of my dark circles. And I'm going to place some on my chin. I'm going to place some on my nose and on my forehead. And then I'm just going to blend it all out. After I'm done blending out my concealer, I'm going to grab my Peach Perfect setting powder and I'm going to put some of it in the cap and use my beauty blender and place some underneath my eyes. I like to put it there just because that's my really oily spot that I just can't seem to control, because I'm really oily in my face, and specifically on my cheeks and my T-zone in general. After that, I'm just going to let the shit bake for a minute. And I'm just going to dust it off, and then I'm going to dust a little bit of it around all of my face just to set it down so that it can control the oil for a little longer. Then after that, I'm going to grab my bronzer. I use the Physicians Formula. It smells so good. So I am sorry if you see me smell it a little excessively. I just really love the scent. After I'm done, I'm going to go into the James Charles palette and get the color Face. It's a highlighter color. And before I put it on, I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray. It's going to give it a nice, more intense pop than just using it by itself dry. And you're just going to place that right on the top of your cheekbones. I'm also going to put some on the tip of my nose and under the higher arc of my eyebrows. You guys can use blush if you want in this look, but unfortunately I do not like blush. And to finish it off, I'm going to use the Hydramatte liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. And to top off this look, I'm just going to use my favorite go-to lashes, the Ardell 110. And after I'm done putting them on, I'm going to spray my entire face one last time with my setting spray. Let it dry. And that about completes this look. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.